congratulations on making it to the G-Pilot process in your journey to Admissions 2021. The Aspirant Relations team brings you the video series Journey to Admissions, through which we'll be telling you about the G-Pilot process. At the same time, we'll be telling you how can you prepare for it. We'll also be informing you about various courses and specializations at SIPM Pune. So today, in this first episode, let's hear it from Karthika and Ajinkya about their G-Pilot experience last year.
The G-Pilot process, as the abbreviation suggests, includes a written ability test, a group exercise and a personal interview in that order. As I reached the beautiful campus, the admissions team was there to take care of every little query and assigned me with an admissions buddy who took care of the entire process smoothly. The VAT was essentially trying me on my thinking style, the way I put across my words in a given time limit, and my creativity. After which, I was taken for a group exercise where my team was allotted around 12 minutes, where each one of us had to select one of the two distinctly displayed images for us, give the reasoning for the same, collate and knit a story around it, and present that to our panelists. My personal interview started with an extempore. It essentially tried me on my presence of mind, my confidence, and the way I am able to handle a sudden change from a usual pattern. As I have work experience, my interview mostly revolved around my company, the kind of work I did, learnings from it, situations that I would have handled better, and why did I choose to enter the field of human resource management with SIBM Pune. My preparations involved working on current affairs. Reading newspapers and tabloids supported me with the necessary information. I worked on the way I should present myself to create a lasting impression on the panelists. I was thorough about the work that I did, the company and the industry in which I'd spent time in. I also worked on the key skills of confidence, communication, and readiness for the challenges during the D-Day. Remember, clarity and brevity are the keys. Try to enter each process with a calm mind. Anxiety is natural, but do not let that affect your performance. You've worked for an entire year for this. You have got this. So just be confident, wear a smile, and win it.
The admission process was one of its kind because from the very beginning we were assigned our admission buddies. The D-Day started with a great hospitality. The admissions team, group and panel coordinative were very accommodative throughout the day. The process was divided into three parts. Firstly, I appeared for a written ability test where I was asked to write 200 to 250 words on an abstract topic in a given time frame. The idea was to test an aspirant's clarity in thoughts, creativity and approach. Immediately after that, I was taken to group exercise round where every member was shown two pictures for 30 seconds and was asked to select one picture. Later, the discussion started by giving individual rationale behind the selection and connecting all the chosen pictures. The idea here was to test the quick decision making and how an individual performs and coordinates with the team. Lastly, there was personal interview round, and it was unique in itself because just prior to my interview, I was given a topic and was asked to present my thoughts and views in front of the panelists. My interview started with a discussion on extempore topic, but later it was majorly based upon HR questions like tell me about yourself, why SIBM Pune, why marketing, what are your short-term and long-term goals. There were some basic questions related to sales and marketing because I mentioned my specialization interest in my Snapseed form. So all in all, I would say that the admission process was really hassle-free and the team at SIBM Pune was really accommodative throughout the day. In order to prepare well, I started reading newspaper and followed some YouTube channels to keep myself abreast with the current affairs. Since I was a fresher, I brushed up all my academic concepts and internship takeaways. For that, I started reading and summarizing editorials. It helped me to build an opinion over several trending topics. Apart from what was provided by Coaching Institute, I formed a group with 6-7 friends of mine where we used to practice mock interviews and mock bat to fine-tune our preparations. To advise, I would say that instead of directly jumping on a question, take few seconds to think and then answer. If you do not know anything, just politely say no. More importantly, just be yourself and try to be as concise and as clear as possible. All the best, guys.